What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Backwoods Hustle. Today we got a garage and I guess it would be like a little workshop above the garage that we're going to clean out, and then we're going to demo the interior of the home as well. So I guess we're going to get to work. This is the garage we're cleaning out. Not really anything cool in this one. It's just all mostly trash. Found a few little things I could use probably. This is the home. We'll go inside there in a minute. So we do have a few things here. There's a neat Marlboro little basket that we found though. Used to keep tools in or something. That's what I'm gonna do with it. And we got this little storage room outside the garage and shop. And then in here, in the shop, we got quite a bit of things over in here. And we got a drag out of here. That's a nice metal shelf over there. There's a few decent things in here. Got another old belt sander, bush trimmer, some neat little bookends here. Them are pretty cool. And can opener. That's an old Oster can opener. Inside the house. What in the hell?
It's so cute. Bear Supreme.
Is there no stairs?
No, that's it.
These are the stairs to get up there. That is cool.
That's a little crooked.
So this is a definitely a time warp house. Awesome. So you said there was nothing in here. There's desk and everything. All right, so you got the 70s room in there. And then up here you got a little Harry Potter room. Oh Lord. Just climbing up in here, you get a little attic room. That's all the fabric they want down that they were talking about.
Yeah, it's just staple.
Okay. That won't be hard. This is a cool little room. Yeah. This would totally, Nico would want this room.
No, Nico couldn't have his room. This would be my room. I'm smoking up here. Fuck them kids.
Yeah, I see that. All right, then you got some 70s carpet in here. Instead of green. And back to the 70s again. This house is a lot bigger than it looks from the outside. Sure. It's mostly empty. Here's a few things we're gonna have to clean out, mainly outside and in the garage I showed y'all. But bedroom there. Here. Oh shit. Oh damn. Alright, pulled that carpet out of there. This is weird. So we took cover off this thing and I have no clue. Let's get all kinds of crap in there like it's a damn back to something. Washer, dishwasher. I don't know. It's hard to tell. That's weird. It's pretty weird. Oh, it's a water tank. Yeah, I've seen this before. Okay, yeah. Yeah, okay. Yeah, we've had all these older houses like this have the damn water tank like this sitting in the kitchens.
Like a hot water tank?
Huh? Yeah, it's a hot water tank.
Oh, cool.
That's exactly what it is. And here's the line running. So we'll have to just get that out of there. Lovely. Usually ain't too bad, but some of them, the last one we pulled still had damn water in it. It was full. I guess get the sledgehammer, start busting, start getting shit out of here. Grab my gloves. I think I got a trash bag still in the truck and put all that loose fucking insulation we're gonna be pulling off there. Get this out of here. Now we're gonna start tearing this thing out in here. Start by taking out all these drawers before I start busting this stuff up. I like them when we get them, and we ain't gonna take crap out of cabinets and drawers. There's all the little drawers in there. John's cleaning all that insulation out around that water tank.
First the light come out once we get it out.
Yeah. Yeah, we can get doing some demolition in here today. So for now, we're done with the kitchen. We'll mess with that more tomorrow. This thing's pretty heavy, but we also gotta take the floor up in here. We'll do that tomorrow. Right now, we're working on ripping these carpets up. Dad ain't here with his special machete saw to cut this carpet, so I'm using a pry bar. It's working pretty good, especially since they didn't put any floor covering underneath. They just put it down and nailed it. I actually like that. Let's get it all loose. This one's all done. I ain't taking it out of here till tomorrow when the dump truck's here. Working on getting this one up. I'm gonna even have to scrape this crap off, but it should come up easier than the last one. Pry bar works pretty good. Just using it to rip it up. Pry bar's bent all to hell. It's getting there. Get this crap over here cut. This one's about done. So we even got to rip up the linoleum in here in this bathroom as well. So I guess we're gonna try and get a start on that. So, of course, there's a second layer underneath it. I bet you that second layer is gonna be a pain in my ass. Well, a little like OBS board and a second layer of linoleum and everything else under here. So I'll just keep using the pry bar to rip this stuff up, see where I get with it. Hunting for the chimney. We gotta tear a chimney out of this house. Back on day 2. At least it's not that whole damn thing. And this is close. So either way, it's gonna be a pain in the ass. Alright. What's up there? Oh, I see. They stuck it. The heat should come back on. No. Well, you gotta take up some stuff they got on the ceiling up there, but it's like fabric that someone stapled to the damn ceiling or something. Yeah, this room, check that room's cool as hell up here. The whole little bedroom up there. And this is the only way up is the little ladder door.
Probably had some kid that wanted to stay up there.
Ladder doors. Now watch some of these old houses. You make sure you do some research on like asbestos and stuff, because it'll surprise you what they made asbestos out of. You can't really tell with a lot of the things that you
It's almost like
pull
a
out.
cardboard kind of looking shit.
Yeah.
It does have asbestos in it.
So you work on old houses, just remember asbestos and lead are a major thing in these old homes. So don't be like us and redneck things as much where we don't use masks. Be safe, use masks and proper gear. I plan on buying us and getting us all kinds of proper gear here soon, because we don't need to be breathing that crap.
Fuck.
Alright, so we have a problem. Dad cut that to get that out of there and the water's on.
Usually turn the water off.
That electrical wire is right there.
So it sure is one crappy day today. Non-stop rain. It hasn't stopped at all since this morning. So it's wet, nasty. The water line in the house, we kind of flooded the kitchen a little bit, but it is what it is. We're just gonna keep hustling and get this job knocked out so we can get paid. It ain't all too bad from the water. Got a little cleaned up with Dad and them. Dad and John done ripped out the bathroom.
Pop back. Mold right there.
Is that coming off like a cocksucker? Sounds like a cocksucker.
You can look with nails on it.
That's a weird little
They got my
cardboard.
damn little pry bars.
Cardboard crap. I got all kinds of pry bars in my truck. I got all that shit in my
I got
truck.
my other floorboard. Hey. Ready to go crazy.
I guess they on the mold in there. Yeah, they're gonna do something different with this room probably. Damn, it's glued up there. Ain't it?
Yeah.
Cops are going up on that side, 2 of them. I think somebody's gonna be in trouble.
So shit.
I got a weird light.
Got it over here, plugged it up.
Weird plug-in running through the wall to go into the fixture. Goes behind the panel. That padding underneath made a mess. Not sure what this crap's made of, but it sure was useless. This ain't the first time we've seen this little crap stay stuck to the floor and just is nasty looking.
It's coming up easier than rocking.
Yeah, no doubt. We're getting along. We just got a lot of cleanup and shit to be hauling away.
You can't really haul much in the
We
rain.
can't haul a whole lot in the rain. Everything be getting wet. Be a lot heavier. This has been non-stop raining all day. Dad's getting a tub ready to rip out. And well, that plug-in that goes through the wall into the bathroom, it just done absolutely nothing. Just a cord out here plugs the outlet in there.
I guess for maybe wire in another light.
Yeah, wire in a light or something. Alright, clearing out this garage. before we call it a day. We've done about all we can do today.
You gonna keep the road refreshing?
Now I gotta get these shelves out of here and in the truck. Get the stuff out of here. Still gotta get that little bit of crap, but that has to go some other place. So I go with all the wood and stuff like that. The garage is cleaned out. Hell yeah. Looks like they found the easy way to top stuff out so we ain't gotta walk it around. At least the small stuff anyway. We're on day 3 of this job. Hopefully we can get pretty much done today and be on the chimney. That's what I'm hoping for, because I really need a bill on this today. So let's see how the day goes, I guess. I've got all the stuff that we can take this one down. There's a few more things in here. Throw out the window.
Some more gold.
See if I have more drawers. I bet these go to that thing down there. Office empty. Getting the rest of the household type crap loaded. We're gonna take a second load of household crap after this one. So we took one this morning that we loaded yesterday. This will be the second, and then we'll be taking a third of household. And then we got a crap load of wood, a bunch of block, and a damn chimney to tear down. I'm outside staging the stuff that's in the yard so we can get it out of here. Got vines, cotton crap. Ain't got a pair of lockers on me. There we go. And you got all these little loose crap panels. There's only 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. Bunch of junk we gotta get out of here. So got this pile over here in the distance. Got a pile of rock and brick and other crap we gotta get. All the demo, and we still got a few things inside too. Like all this tile, we still gotta finish sweeping up, cleaning up. Bathtub. Gotta sweep this nasty crap up. Other than that, a little sweeping, a little bit of sweeping and getting the metal to the scrap yard, and that'll do it for here, I believe. But we still got a few more loads to go. Getting all the brick and crap out of the yard. I'm dragging stuff from the back to the dump truck. We're getting a decent load in here. I'm thinking it all will fit. Dad was cleaning up inside, putting stuff in the barrel. This is just all that plastic that we pulled out of the bathroom. Throwing these rocks in the bed of the dump truck. This one looks just like a bicycle seat. It's crazy. We're getting the last of this crap, and then we got to go over there and get the wood, and then we can load the scrap in my truck. And don't forget those shingles, and I guess we'll keep that damn coal for the shop, burn it in there. Right. I feel like we've been loading rock now for about a week. Out of one spot. Because I feel like this is just taking forever. But it's moving along, I guess. Putting them in the cart, taking it down to the dump truck.
Down at Burger King, you know, so even though it's a 5-gallon bucket, you set them on these.
We're finally getting down to just the table now. So it's getting there. Alright. So getting these old cable bell things out. Now I'm surprised that big one fit through this doorway. Both of them rolled right through it.
That one's a lot heavier than that other one.
Yeah, it's a little bigger. Keeping one of these for my house to use for like an outdoor table, and then that other one's going to a friend's house. So here's the date for last time these things were used for cable wire, or whatever kind of wire they had on them. Yeah, it was a cable reel. It says right there. 11/4/83. Ronald Reagan was president. Probably been here a good while. All right. Everything's out of this place. Other than we're keeping those two boards here for when we come back next week to start the chimney. So the clean out though is all done. Alright, well Dad's been in here tearing the rest of this crap up. It's coming along pretty good. Alright, so Dad got the rest of the bathroom cleared out. It's all done. I got some stuff loaded I'm gonna take to my house. I'll tell you what, them wheels don't look very heavy until you go to lift them. You can roll them around, they feel light until you go to lift them up. The smaller wheel is going to our friend's house. That one over there, definitely a lot lighter. This is our little hauling trailer we got off a job. That's Pat the Pack Mule. That's what we named it. This little trailer hauls quite a bit of stuff. Alright, so we got everything done. We still got to get this out of here to the office. We'll do that when we get over here for this. So this one's cleared out. Good to go. And the fun will start next week with this chimney. So tune in for that one when we get it posted. Here at the scrap yard. Got all the scrap loaded out the trailer. See what we get today on this one. Not bad at all on this one, 6306. I'm up here chiseling this top section up here in the attic. Dad and them, they're down there. Can't see it because it's a dark hole, but they're down there at the hole we created in the bottom. I'm up here with the air chisel. It's dark in here, sorry. But we're working on it. Let's see. It's a little better now than we can see. I got the air chisel up here, working on the chimney, chipping away at all the brick. And a lot of it can go straight down in the hole down here. You see the open hole? That's where Dad and them are right now. Working on that. There's not an open hole in that one. This is a 2-flume chimney right here. But we're working on it. We're getting there. Just stuck up here in a little hole. We're setting all the brick on a piece of plywood that I'm up here standing on. Or kneeling on, should I say. We had a pause for a little bit. We're gonna let the other guys that do the remodeling take out that wall around the chimney. I think it'll help us a lot get that chimney out of there. It's kind of in the way right now. So as soon as they get that thing tore down for us, we'll be back at it with the chimney. It does. Looks like a doorway. Got the wall out of the way. Not sure. Dad got all the cap down, so we're done up here. Now we just got to get down at the bottom down that they're hammering on now. So hard part up here is done. In case y'all wondering where we're crawling in at. Right here. Go down the stairs there. Little crawl space up here. Back over there. It's getting there. There's the messiest part. All that damn soot coming out of there.
Alright, so we can do is walk.
And then we're breathing that shit. All that soot. We're getting there. We just got that back little area holding it up.
Hold on.
Just be careful. It'll probably come down. It does come down. It comes down fast. You better watch out. Shit's just gonna come out all over the place.
Hit it on that end you were hitting.
Waiting for them to knock this down. It's stuck up in the wood. It's cold, kind of constricted.
Keep going. Working.
It's moving. There's a piece.
Hold up a second.
We got a piece that fell. Hold on.
I got a big chunk here. I gotta get it out of the way. Alright, go ahead. Ready.
back up here tapping, messing with the chimney to get it to come through. Got a big piece to drop. Finally.
Very good.
Oh, damn. See that brick slightly showing. It's wanting to pop through. Yeah, it's coming slowly.
Hang on.
It's coming now. You see right there, that's what we're dealing with. Where they grouted and built the ceiling frame and put a wall around it. It's all kind of just stuck together on the wood. And it looks like it also shifted over into those 2x4s. So they're knocking bricks loose at the top because this stuff stuck pretty good. So looks like they're dropping some down. He's been chiseling up there.
A bitch down there somewhere.
Woo! Alright, well it all just made a dust field down here, so I got out of there. It collapsed. Looks like, is that all of it? Alright. It's a dusty down here. I say it's dusty as hell in here. Finally got it down. So we got her all up out of there. Took some of the ceiling with it. This is where we're at. Now it's just all clean up. And we gotta finish chipping that down to the floor. Bringing it through here. And dump into the wheelbarrow, from the wheelbarrow to the curb. We're going back the dump truck up to there and throw all that shit in it. So this is the routine we're doing. From the floor to the car. Kind of how we're doing it. We're finally on the last day finishing this job up. We're loading up all the brick and trash that we threw outside from the chimney. And also the crew in here that's doing demo had us haul some of their stuff away as well. That's what we're looking like so far. Still looks like a lot. But we've also got quite a bit already loaded in here. In the bed of the dump truck. So, but we still got a little bit more. We're gonna stuff this thing as full as we can get it. They already got that framed up and everything where the chimney used to be at. These guys work for us. So, can't even tell chimney was there. Got all this cleaned out of here. All that brick's gone. If you haven't hit the like and subscribe, please do that. And we will see you guys next time.